class 8th. Hello class 8th. Today we are going to discuss English grammar chapter, and it's the first chapter of your syllabus. So right now we are going to discuss the first chapter, which is noun. So as we have studied in earlier classes also the definition of noun and maybe its kinds also. So I'm gonna teach you about noun. So our chapter is noun. First of all, you must be familiar with the definition of noun. So you must know noun is the name of anything. Anything means if it is a person, a place or anything, it is called noun. So just write down the definition. The name of person, place, animals or anything. Is noun. I want to tell you the example. You have to write the example by your own. Write at least 5 examples. Whichever example suits you, whichever examples comes to your mind, write at least 5 examples. So it is the definition of noun. Now the very important point about this lesson is its types. The types in this chapter we have to study the 7 types of noun. So I'll tell you one by one which are those 7 types. So first of all, write down the 7 types. The number 1, there are type is, which is number 7, possessive noun. So the last type is possessive noun. These are the 8 types of noun. First is common noun, second one is proper noun, third one is abstract, the fourth one is collective noun, the fifth one is countable noun, the sixth one is uncountable noun, and the last one which is possessive noun. So write down everything, then we will discuss one by one each of these things. So we will start from the first, which is common noun. We are starting from the first type, which is common noun. Man. So man denotes every man in the world. So these are common words which are called common nouns. So write down the definition. The common noun denotes common or general representation. general representation of people, animal, or anything. Got it? Write down some examples. Boy, dog, boat, etc. So if I say boat, then it refers to every boat in the world. This is the first type, which is common noun. Now moving on to the second type. The second type is proper noun. So, what is proper noun? Let me tell you first. For example, my name is Shashiharan. Your name is Aman. The school's name is Shivam Progressive Convent. So these words, these names are proper noun, which properly indicates someone, which denotes some person, animal, or place, or anything. This is proper noun by definition. Specific representation or name of a person, place, or anything is called proper noun. It's called proper noun. So in this type, you have to write the types, the examples by your own. Write down the definition and then write down at least 5 examples. Moving on to the third type. The third type is abstract noun. Abstract noun let me tell you what is actually abstract noun. So, abstract, for example, I am sad, you are happy. These words which denotes emotions, feelings. I love my country, this is my feeling. So, these words which denotes the emotion or feeling are abstract. The words which denotes feelings or emotions are known as abstract noun. For example, sad, happy, love, hate, etc. These are abstract nouns. Moving on to the next definition. fourth one. The fourth one is collective noun. Let me tell you what is collective noun. Collective noun represents a collection of things. For example, a collection of fish. A group of fish, collection of fish is called school. A class. If I say class, then class denotes a group of students. If I say parliament, then it denotes a group of persons. So these words which represents collection or group is called collective noun. Write down the definition.